Hello, and thank you for joining me here once again. This is an extremely short video this week. My days got ahead of me, but I do have a couple of little things that I am going to be sharing with you. I just really like Christmas bazaars in small towns. And so I decided to attend this one. This is the first of the season. I met so many sweet people at this event. In fact, one lady invited me to lunch at the Senior Citizen Center, and I'm looking forward to that. In my video from last week, you saw me, if you got a chance to watch that, you saw me paint some frames gold for holiday displays. And now I'm just simply putting those together. One of the reasons this vlog is a bit short is I'm trying to see if I can do a Vlogmas this year. Not sure if I'm going to be able to, but I'm trying to put some ideas together to maybe have some short videos during the weeks after Thanksgiving, right up to Christmas. But we'll see, right? And as I record this, I want to share something with you. Remember to always make time for people and things that bring your heart joy. If you feel that there's toxic people in your life, people who create heaviness, find a way to know and understand that that's not what life is about. Find joy and always be helpful. The thrift store frames are coming together just as I anticipated, and man, this is so lovely. And here are just a few lovely things I'd like to do in upcoming videos. Baking, hamper making for gifts, crafts, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.